Lynn and Paul's excellent adventure, a 4-year voyage while living on a cruise ship.
Oh, I can't believe it, Lynn. We are in Japan, Hakodate, Japan. It's our first stop in Japan. Hard to believe. Of course, you can tell by the umbrella that we're getting a little rain this morning. It's supposed to break loose a little later, probably about 1 o'clock. We're walking over to the tram station.
Look at all the seafood.
Oh, it looks wonderful.
By your crabs and, oh, look at those crab legs.
Oh, yeah. Beautiful.
So 11,000 yen.
Oh, you're going to ask for a conversion, right? It's a 100 to that. We'll have to calculate that.
It's 400 yen to $1.
Is that it? I think it is 400 yen.
So you can do the math at home.
But
it's all fresh seafood. I mean, this is the seafood market.
Oh, look at the
octopus.
Oh my goodness, look at that. Oh. Who would have thought? That's incredible. So is this part of the, this must be part of the official market then?
It is. Look at all the crabs.
Oh,
mussels, clams.
That is incredible. Wow. Oh.
So I guess if you're in business or home, you just come down here and get your fresh seafood.
Yes. This is really, I mean, it's
like
amazing. We just stepped off the ship. We just left the cruise terminal. We went through immigration and they welcomed us. Very polite people.
Yes.
Here and
very polite, very clean city.
Oh, it really is.
They even told us to bring like a little plastic bag to put our own trash in because there are no trash cans.
Yeah.
So you're responsible for your own trash.
Yeah.
Which seems to make me think that there's not a lot of things that are in packages.
Yes. That's probably true. Hopefully.
So.
You know, when you have this many people on these islands, I mean, there's only so much you can do. Look at this squid.
Oh, there's our calamari.
Yes. Fresh squid.
Wow.
Can't beat that. So the plan today is that we're going to go to the Tram and we're going to buy a day pass at 600 yen. And we're going to just, at first, just maybe do a little tour of the city. So welcome to Hakodate. Okay, so we're on our way to the tram, as we mentioned, but we also noticed a market here. You want to take a little stroll through the market a little bit?
Let's take a stroll.
Yeah, let's see.
Because we're finding all kinds of interesting things.
Little side trip here. Quite cool. Now, this is supposed to be a morning market, right? They close up at like 1 o'clock in the afternoon,
look at the cantaloupe.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, fresh cantaloupe. You'd like that.
That's beautiful.
Scallops, clams.
You can tell this is definitely an area for seafood, that's for sure. Look how beautiful. And the way they display it is just incredible, isn't
Look
it?
over here.
Oh, such a beautiful market though, isn't it? And I think this is multi-level. There's actually an elevator there, so.
They look like they have some kind of ice cream there.
I know.
It's a little early, but
Yeah. Well,
looks good.
Yeah, I think it works. I mean, just the way they display things is really quite amazing. It's quite beautiful. Konnichiwa.
Crab for breakfast.
It's a beautiful market, though, isn't it?
Beautiful, yes.
Yeah. People waiting in line here.
Yeah. Maybe.
Oh, it's
see, look,
they're waiting in line for it's sushi. It's a sushi bar.
Look, can you get a camera? It's moving.
Well, I am sure we are going to see a lot of sushi here in Japan. But you can see the people just waiting in line.
It was still moving.
Wow.
But that looks like squid.
Oh, is it?
It looked like it. Look how thin they chop everything.
These are real artists, aren't they? It's amazing.
Sushi is a real art.
Yeah,
Yes, it is.
Onward. Okay, we made it to the tram station where we had a couple things we had to do. Number one, we had to find the bathrooms.
Yes.
And you were able to go to the bathroom, and it is a different culture here. So were you prepared for that?
I had heard about it, but was not really prepared. I mean, this is a country that invented those fancy Toto toilets that talk to you. So,
yeah, part of the adventure. We also had to get some yen. We want to be able to carry some yen for things we might want to purchase. We went to the place where a lot of people go to an ATM is the 7-Elevens here. And they're regular 7-Elevens.
7-Eleven. If you're in the States and you remember, I don't even know if 7-Elevens are around in the States anymore.
That's right.
They weren't in our town anymore, but they are definitely prominent here. And they're beautiful, nice stores.
Everything here is so clean. That's the amazing thing.
So you bought
some little tasty snacks.
Poppycocks.
Poppycocks. Now, what are poppycocks? I've never heard of them. Pocky chocolate.
sticks.
Okay.
Yeah, they're just little
Chocolate.
cookie sticks dipped in chocolate.
Okay.
And then I bought these because these looked really good. They're just little almond cookies.
Almond cookies.
So I shouldn't buy sugar, but
I know.
it was.
We did get water too.
We did get water
too. And we're trying to figure out the tram where we need to go here. That coffee place is upstairs if we want to buy some ground coffee.
Yeah, we'll buy some ground coffee.
But we would like to experience some Japanese coffee, so we hope they really have those. So we're just trying to reorganize, and we're going to figure out the tram next.
Okay. Well, here, you got to try one of these.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Well, these are nice. These are pretty neat.
Aren't they
These
good?
are tasty. I like them. That's what we need. All right, we took the tram ride. We figured it out. When you board the tram, you scan your
Suica
card, which is a green card which we use for transportation. I think we'll be able to use that all over Japan. You go in the rear door and you swipe it, and then when you leave, you go out the front door and you swipe it. So, kind of a neat system. It's pretty quick, not too bad. Now we have a 10-minute walk. We're gonna do over to the Ropeway. It's a Ropeway tram that we're gonna be taking.
It's gonna take us to the top of the hill.
Yeah, it's very foggy up there, very cloudy, so I don't know how much we're gonna be able to see.
It'll probably be beautiful.
Yeah, I think it will. But it should be fun. It's something kind of neat to do. But you're kind of getting a feel for what the city looks like. It's a neat city, very clean, as we said.
Very quiet. Even the cars are quiet.
Yeah, they are.
You know? And not a lot of people out walking.
No.
It's
really
a big town. You said it's what, 200,000 people?
Yeah, I think so. So a good sized town. In some areas it feels bigger. Transportation here is really incredible though. We were at the train station and they have trains going all the way to Sapporo every hour.
Everywhere, I'm sure, not just there.
Well, Sapporo is one of the main train trips I know.
It's because the airport's there.
Yeah. Okay, so let's go look for the Ropeway. So we made it to the tram. On the way up, it was starting to rain pretty hard.
It rained really hard.
It did. So we were at the tram station. They said that they're not going to run the Ropeway tram until they know when the weather clears. And that could be not the rest of the day. So we'll probably go look for lunch. It's funny, though, that we're here because they have a community radio station. Seems like radio stations tend to find me sometimes. And you can see them actually broadcasting there on the air.
And it's a community radio station.
It is.
So it must be like a public station.
Yeah, it is. They've been doing this interview here for a while. You can kind of hear in the background.
Yeah.
It looks like the primary announcer is a lady announcer.
Can I put my microphone up there?
Yeah, you can. You can let everybody hear a little bit of it.
13日土曜日のご案内しました通りお昼のコンサートということで1時会場2時開演というねそんなコンサートになっています。チケット料金とお願いできますか？
Okay, I'll have to now get my translator app out, I think.
And just see what they were talking about.
Well, let's see if we can find our way back into town. Okay? All right.
Sounds good. So, we're at Lucky Pierrot.
Lunchtime.
It's an American chicken sandwich.
Style, yes.
That's what they sell.
I didn't see any sushi on their menu. Did they have sushi on their menu? I don't
no
know.
sushi. But they had a hamburger, a pork cutlet,
Yeah.
but chicken sandwiches
And French
is
fries.
what they're, and French fries.
And we got ginger ale to drink.
Ginger ale. So, very American type place to eat. It was on the must see stops while we're here.
No.
So that's what we did.
Yeah, so we're doing that. This isn't far from the ship, but we noticed that they had other locations around town, so it must be very popular.
So
I'm guessing.
we
Now
decided to get lunch because we couldn't go up the ropeway.
Couldn't up the ropeway, but
Up
you
to Mount
found
Hakodate.
some vending machines at the ropeway place that were quite interesting.
They were very interesting.
What was one of the vending machines you noticed? What did they have?
For snacks.
For snacks.
For snacks. It was just a snack machine. There was a toy machine. But yeah.
What
The
was this
snack machine was very interesting.
Because it had little snacks of insects. What insects did it have?
It had scorpions and crickets and a
crickets.
mixture of worms and
So you didn't try any of them though?
no. We don't eat bugs.
No. Very interesting though. The whole machine was actually that way. I mean, they had next to it. They had a machine that had like wonderful
Like ice cream cones.
Yeah, it's interesting, like prepackaged. They're very innovative here in Japan. I will say this has really been quite fascinating. We took a taxi back, and you use over to this restaurant, and the taxi you use an app just like an Uber app or a Lyft app.
And it pays.
It takes care and pays for it. The taxi was there in like 2 minutes.
And it was
I mean,
like $4?
Yeah, it was like $4 to ride here. It wasn't that far, granted, but it wasn't very expensive. A very clean cab. The driver was wearing a white shirt, a nice dress shirt, white dress shirt. So
Very nicely dressed.
Yeah, and very professional. We used our Translate app to ask a little bit about town, and he kind of laughed about us using that.
Yeah,
but
we found that people laugh at us using a translator app. I don't know why. I would think
I
that.
think they appreciate it really, because instead of people trying to force English and say city or town or rain or whatever, when you translate, I think they appreciate that too. So it's kind of neat. It's kind of neat. Okay, so we'll show you what our lunch looks like here in just a moment. So we've got our sandwiches. These are supposedly the best chicken sandwiches in Japan, or at least in this city. We'll see. Oh, they look fabulous. Do you like that?
I'm going to take stuff off of mine.
And we did get fries
Oh,
too.
look. It's like chicken nuggets. Like chicken pieces.
Interesting. Oh yeah, you didn't order yours without lettuce.
What do you
Mayonnaise?
think it is? Mayonnaise?
Mayonnaise? Good. You gonna take a bite?
Well, let me get.
You're taking the mayonnaise off. I haven't even opened mine yet. I'll have to do that.
Bun doesn't feel
see.
so fresh.
I did notice
all
they had
sesame.
Yeah, all sesame. I noticed they had these all over town, so this is a very popular food item, even with locals here.
It's like eating
Very good.
Chinese food on a bun.
Oh
like,
yeah.
You know how you get like sweet and sour chicken or teriyaki chicken?
It's very good though. It's a good mix. I liked it.
It's a good sandwich.
Thumbs up.